सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल साइड बाय टेक को। और आज देखें सेट 11 के MCQ टाइप क्वेश्चंस इन बायोलॉजी। पूर्व की भांति मैं बिल्कुल नवीन तरह के MCQ टाइप क्वेश्चंस लाया हूं और बार बार कुछ क्वेश्चंस रिपीट भी हो जाते हैं, लेकिन वैसे क्वेश्चंस कुछ अलग तरह से पूछे जाते हैं, इसलिए मैंने उनको भी शामिल किया है। तो चलिए देर न करते हुए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के वीडियो को। और इस वीडियो के पूर्व में मैंने सेट 10 के क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स दे रखे हैं जो पूर्व में प्रसारित नहीं किए गए थे, और 30+ MCQ टाइप क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स जैसा कि आप स्क्रीन पर देख रहे हैं वह आपको दे दिया गया है, जो सेट 10 के MCQ टाइप क्वेश्चंस के आंसर हैं। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, इसे भी आप पूर्व की भांति देखेंगे और अपने सेट 10 के क्वेश्चंस के आंसर जो आपने बनाए हैं उससे इसका मिलान कर लेंगे। तो चलिए बढ़ते हैं आज के नए वीडियो की तरफ, जो सेट है 20+ MCQ टाइप क्वेश्चंस का सेट 11। और इसके क्वेश्चन के प्रारूप को जैसा कि हम स्क्रीन पर देख रहे हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है हमारा, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स डज नॉट कंटेन DNA। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, हाउ मेनी अमीनो एसिड्स मेक अप अ प्रोटीन। Question number 3, the tiny air sacs present in the human lungs is called. Next question, question number 4, in which part of the respiratory system gaseous exchange take place. Next question, question number 5, plant absorbs most water needed by them through. These are the model type of questions which I have given above the video or in the starting of the page. Now I am going to discuss another 15 type of questions along with these above 5 questions which I have given in this video. Now we are going to explain all the questions, that is 20+ MCQ type questions of the set 11. And just as I have given the answer in almost all video MCQ type of questions, here I will also provide you the answer of the set number 11, just the answers which are as following, and you may match your answer with the answer sheet. And now I am starting the video. Question number 1, which of the following cell organelle does not contain DNA? Option number A, nucleus. Option number B, lysosomes. Option number C, chloroplast. And option number D, mitochondria. You know friends, DNA is a genetic material. DNA is mainly found in nucleus, as well as it is also present in the chloroplast and mitochondria. So these two organs are also known as autonomous organ. Whereas lysosomes, which is the bags of the society, it contains hydrolytic enzyme which has capacity to dissolve the cell organelles. And the option number B is the correct answer for question number 1. Lysosome is a type of cell organelles which doesn't contain DNA, whereas nucleus, chloroplast and mitochondria contain DNA. In nucleus, DNA is the constituent of the chromosome, and chromosome is the basis of heredity, as we know and as I have discussed. And now I am going to discuss the second question. Question number 2. How many amino acids make up a protein? That is a 20. Number of the amino acids make a protein. Protein are the building blocks. Protein are the building blocks of our body, or proteins are body builder, and amino acids are the building blocks of the protein. That is the unit of protein. Just the cell is the unit of our body or living organism or unit of life. Now, question number 3. The tiny air sacs present in the human lungs is called alveoli. Our lungs is made up of many chambers which is supplied with the blood. These chambers are called alveoli or air sacs, and here the exchange of the gases takes place. That is, an alveoli, oxygen is mixed up with the blood with RBC of hemoglobin, and the CO2 released is expelled out through the nose and the atmosphere, as we know in the case of the human respiratory system. Just alveoli is the site of the inspiration and expiration. We know in inspiration we take oxygen, and in expiration we give up carbon dioxide, which is expelled outside the body. Now, the question number 4. So, alveoli, the option number A is the correct answer for the question number 3. Now, the next question 4. In which part of the respiratory system gaseous exchange take place? Here also, option number A is correct answer, because and the above answer, as I have explained, that alveoli is the site of the gaseous exchange. Now, question number 5. Plant absorb most water needed by them through their. That option number B is the right answer for the question number 5. Root hairs are the minute and tiny parts of the root which absorbs water, and the water taken by the root hairs are transported in the above portion of the plants by a tissue, that is the xylem. As you know, xylem conducts the water from the root or root hairs to leaf where the food is synthesized, and synthesized food is again transported by the tissue phloem in various parts of the plant. Now, next question number 6. Water in plants is transported by, this is the xylem which transports water from root to shoot or root to leaf, as I have explained above. Next question number 7. What is the source of the oxygen in the process of photosynthesis? The source of oxygen in the process of synthesis is water. Option number A is correct answer for question number 7. Water is the source of oxygen in the process of photosynthesis. But we always make mistake that the oxygen is liberated from the CO2. It is not correct. You should have to remember the correct answer, that water is the source of oxygen in the process of photosynthesis. Next question. Question number 8. Which of the following gas is released during the process of the respiration? Oxygen gas is released during the process of the respiration. It is not correct answer. Here the correct answer that carbon dioxide in all living. Carbon dioxide is expelled out during the process of the respiration. In plant and animals, respiration is a aerobic process. It is the process of catabolism which takes place in all the living organisms 24 hours. It is the vital characteristic of the all living beings. Now, question number 9. During the photosynthesis, the liberated gas is oxygen. In case of respiration, liberated gas is carbon dioxide, and in case of photosynthesis, the liberated gas is oxygen. We will have to remember. Now, the option number B is the correct answer for the question number 9. Now, question number 10. The element which is the most abundant in the human body is. This is the oxygen, which is most abundant in the human body, whereas the nitrogen, which is about 78% of the atmospheric gases, but here the oxygen is the most abundant in the human body. This is the element. So, option number A is correct answer for the question number 10. Again, in this series, question number 11, most cell membranes are composed principally of. Here, the option number B is correct answer, protein and lipids, that is combinedly known as lipoprotein. And the cell membrane or plasma membrane or outermost membrane of the animal cell is composed of protein and lipids, that is lipoprotein, whereas the cell membrane of the plant cell is made up of cellulose. So here the answer, option number B is correct answer for the question number 11, that the protein and lipids is the chief constituent of the cell membranes or the plasma membranes or the outermost membrane of the animal cell, in which cell wall is not found. Cell wall is the characteristic of the plant cell. Now, question number 12. Which component of the body works as an energy storage device? This is the fat, which works as the energy storage device. Now, the question number 13. Which one of the following is an example of non-elastic connective tissue? This is the tendon. Which is an example, non-elastic example of the connective tissue? Now, next question, question number 14. Which one of the following is a vascular structure? This is the cartilage, which is known as the vascular structure, and it is elastic in nature. The external pinna is made up of cartilage. Cartilage is elastic, whereas the bone is tough and bone is non-elastic. It can break, but cartilage move elastically. Now, the question number 15. Which of the following kidney stones are most common? This kidney stone is made up of calcium oxalate. Now, The question number 16. Thermostat of the human body is present in the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is the part of the brain and it is also known as supermaster gland. Next question. Question number 17. What are the basic units from which human spare parts can be created? This is the stem cells from which basic units of the human spare parts can be created. Next question, question number 18. Which one of the following is not a vaccine? That is the progesterone, which is the female hormone, and progesterone is not a vaccine, whereas the option number A, BCG, option number B, anti-rabies, and option number C, polio vaccine are vaccines. Now, the question number 19. Which of the following animal has the longest lifespan? That is a tortoise has longest lifespan. Now, question number 20. The proportion of nitrogen in the open air is option number D 78% by volume is the proportion of the nitrogen which is the highest volume in the open air. Now, the question number 21. Which molecule is known as the universal energy currency of the cell? It is the ATP or adenosine triphosphate, which is the source of energy in our body and it converted into ATP to release energy and again charged as ATP in the inner membrane of the mitochondria and it is known as energy currency. Now I am concluding the video and here the answers of the above questions have given and it will be very helpful to create your opinion concrete and please again you will see my next video as you have follow my video and precise my video. I am again hopeful for your thankings. Good night. Thanks for watching.